Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out Tenaz, a mobile mining app that promises effortless crypto rewards without the heavy hardware or high power bills. Let's see what it's all about. Tenaz is a low power mobile. Instead of setting up expensive rigs, you just install the app, swipe to start mining, and earn their token called Tenaz. It's designed for beginners and casual users, but still has features that appeal to more experienced miners. Here's what stands out. Literally, just swipe on your phone to start earning. Invite friends because referrals give you a mining boost. Daily security test. Complete quick checks to unlock extra reward. Track your spending and connect with decentralized finance tools. Effortless rewards. Everything goes straight into your in-app wallet. This isn't about making huge profits overnight. It's more about accessibility. Tenaz makes crypto mining feels like a casual mobile app, lowering the barrier for anyone curious about Web3 and digital currency. So that's the Tenaz app in a nutshell. Simple, low power, and built for everyday users who want to dip their toes into mining. If you're interested, check out on your app store and see if it fits to your style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick reviews.